I've been listening to the Seven Hours Timeless for a couple of days. A few good listening session. I would like to thank Pritam Bhai from the audio store for lending me this 14.2 planar based IM. This is a very comfortable IM. I really was not struggling with the fitting at all. Initially, I thought I might struggle, but this is fairly ergonomically comfortable inside the ear, and the cable too is very supple. It's you do not need to struggle with the cable at all, and it does not have any kind of microponics phonics either. So that's a bonus. This is a very controllable IEM to be precise, and is not very difficult to drive either to its fullest potential. I've been using a slightly more powerful DAC amp, the Tri TK2 to be precise, but still then I do believe that this can be driven without much problem. Uh, we are talking about the timeless, and this is this has a nominal impedance of 14.8 ohm, and should not be very difficult to drive out of most of the general DAPs. Now, moving on to the sound quality, I like to say this one is a very cohesive and musical sounding IM, even compared to the Tri i3 Pro. This one is reasonably cohesive and musical, but this is more musical, more cohesive. The timbre is a bit more accurate too. I really like the tonality of this IM. Now, starting with the lower end, I'll have to say that the sub bass is well extended, very well extended to be precise. But then again, the Tri i3 Pro has slightly better sub bass extension and rumble, while this one has more meatier and fuller mid bass notes. This is very good when it comes to mid bass. I really like the mid bassy sound of this. It is not the humpy type, but the more rounded, more fuller, more punchy type that is really enjoyable. Now moving on to the mid range, I'll have to say yes, this is where the extra bit of added texture and the sonic abilities of this IM really comes to the forth, and this is the very sonically capable IM. Might be this might not be a very technically capable IM or a very detailed sounding IM. The micro details are not to the fore. They do lack a bit of transparency there. If you really want that extra bit of micro details and the extra bit of transparency with all the notes, all the instruments, you might like to look into the Tri i3 Pro. But Tri i3 Pro has its own shortcomings too. While this one has some of the best sonic abilities, the background and foreground instruments have fantastic contrast between them, and the crispiness is not lost in either side of the notes. Even the foreground and background notes have very good crispiness. I really like those crispy feeling of those notes, and the subtleness is there. You do not feel like the background notes is on your face or is not subtle. That subtleness is fantastic. I really enjoy that subtleness. Now moving on to the treble region, I have to say this one is struggling with the treble region, mostly because of the lack of energy with the upper treble region, which the Tri i3 Pro has. Tri i3 Pro is fantastic with the treble region. It's more sparkly, more energetic, and does not have the harshness either. This one doesn't have the harshness either, but this one is a very clean sounding treble friendly IM, fantastic when it comes to treble extension and stuff. While this one slightly struggles with the treble extension, I do not find this to be lacking, because it has good amount of sparkle till the mid treble region, but the upper treble, the ultra highs are not exactly outstanding with this IM. Now what is really outstanding with the timeless is the stage. The stage is bigger than the i3 Pro. i3 Pro is good with the stage, as I have already established with my past reviews. i3 Pro is very good with stage, but this one is better. This one is a lot more better than the 10 P1 Plus. P1 Plus was slightly incapable when it comes to that tonality. I really did not connect with that IM, but connecting with this, the 7HZ 7 Hertz Timeless is easy, very easy. It's a very pleasant, cohesive and musical sounding IM. I really do not feel there is anything really missing from this IM, until unless you are a really critical listening kind of guy. I really do not feel anyone who likes to enjoy the music while sitting back enjoying something uh, along with it. This is a very good, cool sounding IM without anything bothering. The bass punch is there, mid range is slightly in the V, but then again, you do not really need to worry about the transparency or clarity of this thing, and that is a very good thing. I really like the way Seven has tuned those the Timeless. Now the Tri i3 Pro isn't bad at all, but the stage is smaller on the i3 Pro. It has better sub bass and stuff, but when compared to the Timeless, this one has bigger stage, better cohesive sounding, more relaxing. This one is slightly on the aggressive side, marginally on the aggressive side, but has better details. So yeah, it's really a toss, what you want, musicality or better details and more technical abilities. This one is sonically very capable, exceptionally capable when it comes to sonicality. This one is not that great when it comes to sonicality. This is very good. After a good amount of time, I've really found a good competition to the Tri i3 Pro. I'll have to say these two complement each other fantastically. If you have both these IEMs and you want to switch, that's really depends upon your mood. You can have both these IEMs in your inventory, and you do not feel bad about anything. They complement each other very well. So this is it, the comparison review of 7 Hertz Timeless. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.